Common questions I get all the time are, where are you located? We are an online-only company, so we don't have any showrooms. However, I'll explain to them that we can save them a lot of money by doing it that way. And also, we're factory direct. I would say the hardest thing to convey to people is just how easy it is to take measurements and get started. I'll break it down real easy for you. I like to explain to people what we're looking for is the bones of the kitchen. Don't worry about measuring the current cabinets that are in there. We need to know just the walls, windows, doorways. Once we have the bones of the kitchen, it's kind of like putting a puzzle together.
You don't even have to leave the house. Like, you can sit in your pajamas and I don't even care, because we're just gonna walk through every single cabinet if you want. It's definitely a hand-holding experience. From start to finish, it literally could take a couple of weeks. It all just depends on the client's timeline, whether it's 3 days or 3 months. I'm here to help your project run smoothly, and I'm here to help you answer any questions. I'm the project advisor. Like, that's my job. I'm here to help you get to the kitchen of your dreams.
Basically, what I like to do is start at one corner of the kitchen, kind of work my way around. I want to make it as simple as possible for the client. Otherwise, they get lost and they kind of jump around. So that's basically kind of what the initial phone call is kind of getting the information as I go around the plan. So appliances, sink type, door style and finish, even what kind of countertop they want, what kind of style they're going through with the kitchen. Like, what are we thinking? Are we going mid-century modern? Do you want farmhouse? Do you want transitional? Kind of doing that thing. And then at the end point, going more over kind of like what to expect for delivery.
Well, common problems, there's a variety of things. They can be damages resulting from shipping or handling. They can be defects that may have happened in manufacturing. They could be missing pieces. All of those go directly to customer service. We're there to help you. Most people do this once in their lifetime, and we want to make it pleasant for them. We don't want them to have, at the very end, a bad taste in their mouth from working with us. So we'll do everything we can to stand behind our product, make it right for their customer. If they're having problems with their delivery agent, we'll help them with that. So that's where the satisfaction is. It's taking a bad situation and making it better and having a happy customer. That's the greatest satisfaction.